S23 Ultra is Samsung's latest flagship for 2023. It packs some powerful specification but with the same old similar design of Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is the first time when Samsung hasn't changed their design for their new flagship and retained their old design, something similar to what Apple does with their iPhones. I just got my unit from Amazon. Let's do the unboxing and see what all it comes with. And in the name of nature, everything is becoming more compact and more slimmer. It can be a good thing for the environment, but I'm not sure whether it's profitable for a consumer. As expected, it comes with only a USB Type-C to C cable and a SIM ejector tool with some paperwork. Now let's see the phone itself. The dark matte black finish makes it quite premium. When you hold it in your hand, it does feel like you're holding a premium flagship smartphone. It's good that Samsung has reduced the edges a bit compared to the last year Galaxy S22 Ultra. So with this similar look, this year Samsung has focused more on the internals, and the smartphone comes with some powerful specifications like the all-new 200 megapixel camera. And for the first time, Samsung is releasing the smartphone with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is specifically designed for Samsung with a higher clock speed. And Samsung is not using any Exynos version of this smartphone anywhere in the world. So the smartphone will come with Snapdragon processor all around the globe. I'll be doing a lot of testings for this smartphone on my channel, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. So that's it for this unboxing, guys. I hope you like it. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.